Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add employee and Zoho people. Whether you are an agile admin or manager just getting started, you will learn how to extract process quickly set up an employee profile. So let's get started. First log into your Zoho people account and from the left hand side you will see the organization tab. Click on this and choose employee engagement. Now, from the top right side, you will see a plus icon labeled as quick actions. Click on this and search for employee. Now, here you will see the add employee option. Simply click on this and choose next at the bottom left side. Now, here you have to fill his details such as employee ID, first and last name, and email address. Once you are done with filling the details, click on the create button. Now, here you have to fill the user data, such as the basic information, work information, hierarchy information, personal detail, identify information, contact details, separation information, system fields, work experience, education details, and dependent details. So you just have to fill your user data and after that click on the update option. Now, here is the trigger onboarding section. So, toggle the yes or no, what best for you, and then click on the finish button. Now, as you can see, the employees appear in the employee list. You can immediately assign them to team, set permission, and include them in workflows like leave management, attendance, or performance tracking. And that's it. That's how you add a new employee in Zoho People. It is simple, quick, and ensure your organization data to stay up to date. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.